Hey guys, this is just a bit of an impulse video. I recently put my car in for an MOT and unfortunately it failed. This is due to a hole in the exhaust, which transpired. What happened is that where my car is lowered, the exhaust hit the floor and has managed to shatter one of the exhaust manifolds. I just thought I'd make this video basically while I'm down there replacing it, just to show you if this situation ever happens to you, how to replace an exhaust manifold. So before you start, the first thing you'll need is obviously a new manifold to replace the old one. It's not essential, but I would recommend getting some exhaust paste as well, or exhaust sealant. I'd also recommend getting the silicone one, just so that, you know, it's got a bit more give in it. The normal one will kind of have a tendency to kind of crumble away and create some more gaps. I'd definitely suggest getting some WD-40, just because you'll see later in the video that the bolts are quite stiff. And I'd also need some spanners, socket set, impact gun, whatever it is you have to hand. So, right, let's get into it. Now, for obvious reasons, you've got to get under the car. So first of all, you need to jack your car up somehow. You can do this either by a jack or a lift, or however you can get underneath the car safely. Once you're underneath the car, you'll need to use the WD-40 to lubricate the joints. This is because these joints are exposed to both heat, cold, water, dirt, general grime, so using a little bit of grease to make them loose will help you quite a lot along your way. Once you're under the car, you're going to need to undo the two bolts. So some have 3 bolts, some have 2. This obviously has 2, so it's just this one and this one. I will loosen it up and then we'll see how it kind of goes. Right, now that the old gasket's out, I'm just gonna basically have a quick brush down, which is pretty clean anyway, and put in the new gasket. What I should have done is make sure that I had the bolts with me. Just to stick through, make sure all is well. One, and that is 2. And next up, it's just a case of tightening it again. There you go. It'll be weird, but yeah, haha, not perfectly done, but should be enough to get through the MOT.